Welcome. I'm going over how to do the honors free fall and acceleration quiz practice. So, this first formula, the cheetah is maintaining his pace, okay? So, he's keeping a pace at 30 meters per second the whole time he's in running here, okay? What this means is the velocity at any moment also equals the average velocity, and that is an indication that you can use this really easy formula, V equals D over T, which is the first formula that's on your reference tables. Okay. This is a dangerous formula to use for accelerated motion, primarily because people aren't careful about only putting average velocities in here, but for constant motion, it's a great idea. All right, and we know that the distance the cheetah is traveling is 1,000 meters. And we want to know how long it takes him to do that. Okay, so the formula, if this was a quiz or a test, you need a formula with no numbers. You could rearrange it or do what I'm going to do, which is just plug and chug right into it. Okay, and then we know the velocity, the average velocity, meters per second. All right, so I'm going to plug that in. 30 meters per second equals 1,000 meters all over time. Now, some people give up their algebra when the unknown is on the bottom, so I'm going to go through those steps. I'm just going to cross multiply. So 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. I'm going to drop units. Equals 30t. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 30 to get rid of that. And I get that t equals 33 seconds. If this was a quiz, I'd be looking for a formula with no numbers in it. When you first put numbers into your formula, they need to have units next to them. And then an answer with units. You can drop units in intermediate calculations. All right. All the rest of these use accelerated motion, so we're going to use the technique that they learned about in that first video. So VI, VF, D, A, and T.